In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Texture Starfield in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Texture Starfield and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single Starfield texture stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated star patterns. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the texture stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the Starfield stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the Starfield texture later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Texture Starfield brush is designed to stamp star and space textures as you paint instead of creating each detail manually. It's a good choice when you're painting night skies, outer space scenes, backgrounds, or adding atmospheric details to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Texture Starfield brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.